Today we are cooking pancake potatoes. So the first step would be potatoes. Grater. You need something like that. Then I would need a plate. Flour. Flour. Eggs. And all you have to do is this. I would suggest you do it on the smaller side. So I like to cook as often as I can, but I don't because I hate to clean after. You need a towel or something to put the wet potatoes, and then you kind of squeeze the water. See how much water? Free-range egg. Please wash eggs. You don't want salmonella. Then you do this and mix it. Finally, we got to mixing. Salt. Everybody's okay with pepper. Take a frying pan and heat it to the maximum. Some olive oil. Then you put it like this. And then you close it for a little bit. Wait. Now it's actually got the perfect color. So I should turn this. It looks good, no? And the best part would be to put a sour cream on top and a pickled cucumbers. Mix the sour cream before to get the best out of it, and a little bit of. Ta-da! It's ready! Here you go. Take it. Take a bit of sour cream. I did a good job!